All right, today we're going to bring a flexible LED light, and this is perfect for advertisements or for anything, pretty much any occasion. Now, we are going to use it for an outdoor occasion, and this is if we want to advertise or tell people price changes. This is something you can do that. Now, the great thing about it, they give you a double-sided tape that you could put the adhesive anywhere. Now, included with it right now, it's because it has this cover, because you can put this on your actual car and it could show from one end. So if you're an Uber driver, you could say Uber, your pricing, where to go, a taxi information, and so forth, or delivery. Pretty much a lot of things you can do on your car too. Not just a car, but business too. Now, including with it, they give you an app that you need to download, an extension, long extension that you could put on your car, like I said, on a car adapter too, so you could power it up. But it's a USB type A to actually an AC connection. Once you get that going, you got to make sure you get the app. Right, if you guys notice, this is very flexible. It's water resistant. It has a cover for the actual LED lights. Everything is in here. It's covered up with some sort of silicone on it cover. So you don't have to worry about any kind of moisture. All right, one important thing on the app, if you go to the app here, you have to hit that little plus button, all right? This is the plus button. Once you download the app, you hit the plus, and there it is, LED 64, all right? So we're gonna go ahead and lock in, and look at that. It's just locking in, loading, and we're ready, set to go. All right, we're gonna show you guys a little gallery animation. All right, so Halloween for the holidays, check this out. Look at that. For the holidays, you're driving around, people are gonna say, what's going on here? I've seen creative stuff with this being done. All right, one of the most creative things I've seen before is that people set these up on their own shirts, and somehow they have something, or maybe a mask, and you want it to animate. Look at this. It's seasonable too, all right? Like if you go to emojis, let's go to emojis here. Look at the apps that it has. You could set up all these different things. The quality is really high. And not only that, the hertz on it. If you guys can see, there is no lag on it. But one important thing, I'm going to show you guys the DIY project. So we want to do your text, all right? And we're going to say, we're going to type in coffee, all right? And say, and that's going to be our intro. We could do a effect. We could do an effect, move to left to right. If you guys can see that, look at that. Left to right,